Digging through things.
So here's something I don't share often. It's that I love a ghost tour. Well, of course, I love intellectual walking tours around cities. I really do. I love a good ghost tour. And in London, we are doing one here tonight. And this ghost tour, well, we're actually on time. Yay for us, so we need to find our tour guide. But it starts at 8 p.m. and it's summer, so it's light, so I won't be too creeped out. And it's a great price. It was $26 when we booked it. And I'm just really excited to go have some fun. Yeah, let's get spooked. Let's go.
Now I've got a ghost story. And for this ghost story, we're gonna go back to the 1530s. An old lady's appeared out of nowhere in front of us in the middle of the church. Well, the choir master looks round and there is an old lady sitting in front of him.
Okay, so this tour is fantastic so far. I really enjoy it. One of the things I love is the fact that we have a reason to be out at night in London, and it's not at a pub or at a restaurant. We're out walking the streets with a purpose, and I just think that's so fun. Not only are we getting ghost stories, which, don't worry, aren't that spooky, we're also getting like nice history, and George, he is engaging. I was super tired, I'm jet lagged. I'm vibing with this, I like it.
Other man who appears in the middle of the train tracks, and he is seen digging through thin air. Seen digging for a few moments, then he disappears. But otherwise, guys, thanks so much for coming. Thanks for coming, and any questions?
I mean, what can I say? Just book the tour. Honestly, I thought that was fantastic. That was so fun. I loved being out at night. I loved walking around. I loved the history. It wasn't scary. It was interesting, and it was really entertaining, and 2 hours flew by like that. So click the link in the description below. Book the tour. I hope you get George. He was fantastic. So thanks for watching.